Hello, let's try to create a road, highway, or river. I think I use a split function, stroke smoothing, and that's the way of the road. Solo. And now we need concentration. Okay, let's paint it. And to adjust it, let's lift it a little, only a little, like this, and I hope it works. And now simple merge the whole thing. Simple merge. And test separate. Yes, it works. Okay. And now I think it's possible to adjust it with a move brush a little bit. Connected topology off. Yes, it works. I think here it's possible to adjust it a little bit. Symmetry. Oh, why does the symmetry works? No. Symmetry off. Now it's possible to adjust the road a little bit. Yes, it's fine tuning. And after that we can separate it again. And now I think it's possible to mask it and give it a little bit of thickness. Extract it. Like this. How does it look like? Okay. Ciao.